With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
The given question is a hollow cylinder of radius r and length r is cut into 4 equal parts from its axis. Each one is called quarter cylinder. If the quarter cylinder is just completely immersed in a liquid of density rho, find the horizontal thrust acting on the curved surface of the cylinder. So in the given question, a figure is also shown in which we have to find the horizontal thrust acting on the curved surface. That is, here let's say some force F is working in horizontal direction on the curved surface due to the liquid. Okay, so as we know that the quarter cylinder is not moving in horizontal direction, so the all forces in horizontal direction should be balanced. So an equal amount, that is of force F, equal amount of force F is working opposite to the direction of that of the curved surface, that is in the left side. Okay, so we cannot actually calculate the value of force from the curved side, but we can calculate it from the plane side, right? As it is given in the question that it is just completely immersed. It means that the surface of the liquid is just touching the upper surface of the cylinder, right? So if we want to write the pressure equation for right side of the quarter cylinder, we can write it. Okay, so we can calculate the value of force F from this right side by just measuring the pressure at the center of the this side. Okay, so we are going to calculate at this point the pressure value. Okay, so the pressure value P at the point P is going to be rho g into the height in the downward direction, that is r by 2. All right, so this is the pressure value at the middle of the point. Now we can assume that all forces that are working on the right side of the cylinder, we can assume it at the single point P. All right, so let's assume the force that is acting on the center of the side, right side, is F. Okay, that is same as that of we written in the figure. F is equal to P into area of the side. All right, so just multiplying it by side, rho g r by 2, and the area of side is going to be r square, right? So multiplying it by r square, we get rho g r cube by 2 as our value of force, and we know that this same force is working on the curved surface in the horizontal direction. So this is our final answer, that is rho g r cube by 2. All right, so going through the options, we will find option B, that is saying that the horizontal thrust acting on the curved surface is 1 by 2 rho g r cube. That is same of our answer. So option 2 is correct for this question. Thanks for watching.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.